Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaisa.
I'm Lotta.
I was a special needs teacher in this particular school. Every day my students came, but they couldn't learn well. I remember especially this guy. He's called Joona. He was brilliant in many ways. He had great academic skills, but he couldn't learn well due to the fact that he couldn't regulate his emotions nor persevere in the face of adversity. He didn't know how to build trusty relationships and to play with others. There are many others like Joonas. We know that the economic cost of one dropout from school over the course of their adult life before reaching the retirement age is 1 million euros. And it is not due to the fact that they are lacking academic skills. They are lacking social and emotional skills. This is happening all over Europe at the moment. Schools mainly focus on teaching hard skills, technical skills, academic skills, not the skills of heart, skills of well-being, social and emotional skills. How to build relationships and have meaningful conversations, how to face the future, and how to be future-proof. The World Health Organization reports of 83 million Europeans suffering from anxiety and depression. Loneliness is poison. These are the top 5 health problems among European youth.
Social and emotional skills are a core part of education policies nowadays everywhere. European Commission is committed to build a fair and more social Europe as a key priority. And quality education is one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. And what is quality education? If we don't succeed in this goal, it is almost impossible to succeed in the other 16 goals. We wouldn't be here if we didn't have social and emotional skills or strengths in our character, no matter how much intelligence there is in this room. But these things need to be taught explicitly. And that's what we are up to. A lot of teacher needing.
But we have hope. We know how to do this. We know how to integrate social and emotional learning in schools worldwide. We know that teaching the skills of heart, skills of social relationships are as important as academic ones. And mainly, our solution is really innovative. We are bringing you a solution that ultimately each and every child will learn where I am good at, what are my strengths, and how have I proceed in learning social and emotional skills. And if we do this, we can support all children, no matter the background.
We have our roots in humanistic psychology. That means we are not asking what is wrong with you, but what is right with you.
This is how we do it. We train teachers on site, but more and more in digital. We provide teachers globally tools to learn themselves what it meant by social and emotional skills. We coach them in digital. We provide schools and teachers with fruitful materials so that they can daily integrate these skills in their classroom activities. And mainly our focus is in positive CV, which is part of our digital solution. This is a quantum leap in the way we identify expertise in Europe in future. Our students have found their strengths. Like here, the 6th graders participated 4 years in our studies, and they found that they are much more than academic merits.
To summarize, in close collaboration with University of Helsinki, we have developed a solution called Positive Method. We have analog materials, books, cards, stickers, but we have the digital solution to expand and to scale up globally. And we are up to create a worldwide community of 1 million teachers who will have an impact on well-being and learning of millions of students.
And shortly about the business model.
Schools and institutions pay for tailor-made solutions. They can track the individual progress of their students. But for an individual teacher, the basic version of the positive method is always free.
So far this year, we have raised 1 million euros in angel investment money together with governmental loan. We are expecting having 100,000 users by the end of 2020. In the following years, we are also aiming at having more funding from VC round.
And some important milestones. We are not together. We are not alone, but together with millions of users already in connection with our books and cards. And we have trained thousands of teachers already. And we have been awarded 500,000 as a prize money in a Finnish innovation competition. And we already have 3 peer-reviewed papers published. And we are working with five school districts in Asia and in Scandinavia at the moment.
But we need you, we need EIB. Why?
Because we are going to launch a community of European teachers to spread out the message of the positive solution here in Europe.
I have social skills. I have found that I have a lot of kindness. I've learned that I'm brave. I'm kind.
Messages for their future selves.
We cannot change the future nor the challenges in today's world, but we can change how prepared our students are to face them, that they are future-proof. Here is our team.
They are devoted to our mission.
Thank you so much. It was lovely to be here.
Thank you.